In this course, we will learn about TypeScript, the new, JavaScript-inspired language by Microsoft. The introductory course will teach the student the basics necessary for junior workplace skills. By taking this course you will, 1. Set your PC or Mac up. 2. Be able to understand why is used to build large web applications. 3. Use TypeScript's classes and error checking. 4. Create and extend TypeScript classes. 5. Share code via modules. In the first section, we will learn about what projects TypeScript is appropriate for, and what projects use TypeScript every day. In the second section, we will learn about using Node and NPM to install it, and how to use the command line to compile TypeScript into JavaScript. As a bonus, we'll learn a bit about compiler errors. In the final section, we will take a look at a few features. We will learn about types, how they are used, what kinds are available, and how to make your own. We will learn about interfaces, inheritance, using the module system. This course includes many videos, as well as links to useful tools. This course should take 3 to 4 hours to complete, as you may wish to pause frequently to try the many code examples provided yourself. This code is ideal for anyone wanting a solid beginner's foundation, as the hands-on lecture format will ensure that any pupil has a working knowledge of the basics. Who this course is for: 1. You should take this course if you are already well versed in JavaScript and want to take your course to the next level. 2. You should take this course if you already know a similar language like Java, ActionScript, or C#. What will I learn? 1. Compile, test, and run TypeScript on your workstation. 2. Use TypeScript classes and type annotations. 3. Build and run a simple app using TypeScript.